You're the frequency I dial in, past the static. Everything else just fades to white, so achromatic. My attention spans 1,000 miles, a blur of motion, but your image is a perfect high resolution ocean. We talking data packets, encrypted and true, a constant stream of thought that only flows to you. The world is running on a loop, a fast forward scene, but with you I hit the pause and finally feel keen. The signal is strong, no interference tonight, just the current of feeling burning ever so bright. We've calibrated this connection, tuned it just right. The rhythm keeps us going steady and deep. I promise that our love will constantly keep. Focus. Initiate the sequence. Lock the target. Clear the space. We are connected. The wires are crossed. System